Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medanos. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Intel i211 gigabyte network adapter is not working properly on your computer. And you might be getting a device status message that the Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problems with the error code 43. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So kung gumagamit ka ng Ethernet cable, make sure na naka-plug in ng maayos at naka-intact siya. At may mga option din na pwede natin gawin para maayos agad. So ang una natin gagawin ay dito lang sa search menu, ulit mo lang yan, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na IP config space //DNS. So in all is monitor lahat, and then yung //DNS ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So, ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung NATSH space WNSOC space reset. Okay? So, i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space WNSOC space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully reset the WNSOC catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Okay, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang ulit sa search menu, click mo lang yan, and then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung network reset, ayan, and then click mo lang dito yung open, and then madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall or other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung network reset, and then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo na-click to reset now. So click mo lang yan, and then network reset. So are you sure you want to reset your network settings? And then, kailangan mo lang i-click tong yes. Right? So, after dito, so close lang natin. And then, dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So, click mo na yan. Alright? So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Intel i211 gigabyte network adapter not working properly. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.